Yo, what's up, GJ gang? Good morning. Let's do a fresh analysis on GBP JPY. So first of all, we have a beautiful clean rejection at this daily level right here, and basically looks like we are coming up, right? Now I don't see any structure. We need to retest on the daily time frame except this structure right here, which we already retested. So yeah, on the 4 hour, looks like we already made that bottom wick, not breaking that previous wick, and looks like we're starting to break that level right there. But yeah, the extensive outlook of the daily time frame is basically, I'd say, honestly, I'd have to look at the lower time frames, to be honest. Because today is a tricky day, I'm not gonna lie, today is a tricky day. So what I'm gonna do is, we are just in a range right now. Ranging market. morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. GBB JPY is ranging right now. And I'm not gonna lie, this sucks because I want to trade this thing. Ugh. Pretty much London. We tried pushing out in pre-London. Couldn't do it. So now we're basically back in the range. So unless GJ doesn't break this level, you know, we're not really going anywhere. It's honestly a little tricky day for GJ. And I don't think we have news to push that out. Let's check gold. I don't know if I'm lagging, guys, because it's really slow, my internet right now. Just let me know in the chat if I'm lagging or anything. But yeah, I mean that's what GT's looking like right now. See if anything else is not ranging. So during London session, EJ kind of broke out that range and it kind of closed back in it. Or actually yeah, it did. It definitely closed back in it, yeah. So now it's up to EJ to basically break back below. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not. But with the candle that broke out, is that what I think it is? Potentially. AUD USD looks like it's in a strong uptrend, or about to be. Everybody, if you don't know how to send in your chart, just go ahead. The link right here. Boom, highlight it, copy, and then paste it in the chat. I will look at your chart. But also at the same time, this could be a short move. But listen, we also gotta be careful. Like, we can't just be doing stupid shit like that. I'm gonna look on the higher time frames if there's enough confluence for that, because I don't really think so. I mean, we kind of are in downtrend, sort of, but we just reached a daily level, so I'm not sure. 610 per hour. Pre-London. London brought us right back in the range. And now we just touched that area for a little bounce. So it does look good for sells on the lower time frames, but of course, higher time frames always win, and on the 4 hour, that does not look like it's gonna sell. Not at all. I do feel like, I mean, if it even moves today, I do feel like it could possibly break this resistance. So I feel like we're gonna reach, like, I feel like, what day is it today? Tuesday. I feel like we're gonna reach possibly 151, and then continue sinking after that. You know, I think that's pretty possible. All right. Alright, so that 4 hours flipped and is flipping currently. So we're still waiting over here. I'm just gonna see how it reacts to that zone right there. So it looks like we're already starting our rejection phase. Alright, so we technically did respect that retest level right there so far. Looking at lower time frames and higher time frames, I mean, if this continues down, then that's what it's gonna do. But let's see how we can catch some entries over here for buys if we do end up rejecting this level. And if we do continue down, then let's see how we can catch some sells. See if y'all can hear me. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure, bro. US 30 breakdown. So I don't really trade US 30, but I can do my best just by looking at price action and all that stuff. Just using basic knowledge. So I mean, as you can see, we're obviously in an uptrend. Also on the daily time frame, just made that higher low. So pretty much it looks like US 30 is going to make a new higher high soon over here. And also on the smaller time frames, we're following that higher time frame price action, so we're basically respecting previous higher lows. And basically pre-London pushed us down, but we couldn't break that higher low. So what it looks like is we're gonna buy today. I don't know. That's what I think US 30 looks like it's gonna do. Just because market structure has been respecting previous higher lows. And that's basically just the basic price action analysis. Alright, so looks like we are coming down here in the little range we got. So, I mean, yeah, we missed an entry, but it was better if we didn't get in because, I don't know, it was a highly ranging market, so I don't know, it was a lot better if we didn't get in. So that daily is becoming weak. So it really looks like even though we came up for a retest in this area, it does look like we're going to be selling. It looks like we could be breaking this daily level soon. It's pretty wild. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like we could be breaking that level pretty soon. That's pretty crazy. So GJ is potentially, I mean, that would be crazy if we correct this whole move. I mean, I don't really think so. I mean, the economy's not even that bad. I mean, yeah, with the Delta variant and stuff. That would be crazy if we correct this whole move. That's like 300 pips. Yeah, I was way off. 1,300 pips. That's crazy. So in 98 days, that thing moved up 1,300 pips. So until GJ doesn't really break these lows right here, and nothing's really happening, because on the lower time frames, pretty much higher lows are being respected right now. So basically it's a high, higher low, high, higher low. So I don't know, just basically just like a little uptrend forming. So we just have to really see what's happening. I like scaling in a lot because we can see a lot about what's happening in market structure and price action. So you know, this little piece of information right here is very vital for what may happen in GJ. So now that we're pretty much respecting higher lows, now price is pretty much due for the next higher high, you know. So all of that could have just been a little pullback. So let's see. Or if GJ just decides to disrespect this little up channel, this little 5-minute up channel, and breaks those lows, then that's what it's going to do. But trust me, with this little piece of information right here, it doesn't really look like we're going to be selling. And also it's a lot bigger on the 1 minute as well. Everything follows, guys. Who knows, that candle could flip right now. And the reason why I use this tool a lot, guys, is because this helps me identify basically where a retracement is. So it's a Fibonacci. I love using it, and like most of the time it's accurate. Like I'd say 90% of the time this thing is accurate. So let's just see what's going on. So yeah, basically that's what is meant to happen if we close bullish on the 5-minute. Okay. Because technically there is no structure for us to retest on the 5-minute for us to continue down. Now that 4-hour flipped, right? Now did we touch that structure at the bottom? Yes. But that also could have been before. So potentially London session. So basically if we do not, on the 4-hour, if we do not close under this level in an hour and 40 minutes, then we're still in the range. And then the next 4-hour, which is at 9 o'clock, or 9 o'clock, right? Yeah, 9 o'clock, could potentially reverse. So you gotta look out for these things. Alright, let's look at this guy's chart. Yeah, I can't see your chart, bro. You gotta send it through, or you gotta enable the sharing. Yo, good morning, Jason. Good morning. And I think, not gonna lie, bro, I don't even know how to do that. Yeah, so you gotta go dashboard, right? You gotta go here and you gotta enable sharing, okay? Yeah. with my stomach, bro. What the hell? All right. Let's see. There we go. Got this chart. All right, so this is US 30, and you have your Fibonacci drawn. So you start from there, there. What time frame is this? Alright, I can't see the time frame, but yeah, this makes sense. I mean, we broken structure to the upside, right? And basically what happens when we break structure, then we expect a pullback, right? So you drew a Fibonacci, and then your 5618 level is pretty much lined up with this level right here. So yeah, pretty much makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense, bro. Try when you guys send your charts, try kind of like writing out what your goal is, like what your analysis is basically telling you, so that I can see why you drew the Fibonacci and what you're pretty much expecting to happen for your trade. Just to make it just a little bit more clear. But overall, nice chart, nice chart. Honestly, I think I'm gonna 4 hour zones, 4 hour. Okay, okay, makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. So you have a 4 hour fib. Okay, nice stuff. I think in the Discord, I'm gonna add like a section right next to my live stream section, like a chart section, so you guys can send in your charts, and then I just go in here and check them. I think I'll do that. I think that'll be pretty fire. Yo, what's up, Anthony? How you doing, bro? Hey, you know what? I want to see your chart. I want to see how you analyze, because I never seen how you analyze things. So I just want to see how you analyze. Any pair, bro. Any pair. So literally still at that 764. Having a hard time breaking that. Literally this minor like 5-minute level. GD's having a very hard time breaking that. Literally sitting on there. What's up, Gio? What's up? Literally sitting right on that level right there. What's up, y'all? Yeah, GD's ranging right now. Pretty much not really doing much right now. So what do y'all think? You think I should add like a Discord channel for the charts to send in the charts or what? I think that would be a pretty good idea. I'm just trying to see you guys' ideas and stuff. Yeah, look at that rejection, bro. Alright. Oh, I've seen that before. I've seen this before. But see, would I draw a fib in a range? No. Bro, what? New super variant? Nah, that's so cap, bro. There's no way there's another variant, bro. COVID 22? I think that's a lie, dude. So cap, bro. There's no way. Bro, there's no way there's a COVID-22, bro. That's literally a lie. Alright, Thursday we got GDP. Friday we got Fed. Yikes. Alright. I think I'm gonna create a channel for the charts. Probably chart analysis or live stream analysis. We'll see. There's no way that... Guys, I'm telling you, trading is literally algorithm, bro. It's crazy. Trading is literally algorithm, bro. We get the magnet. Trading is literally algorithm. And you know what's very sad? Some people get stopped out by literally that much, like literally not even breaking the low, and the spread stops them out, and then it continues, you know, reversing. Like, it happens. It happens, and it sucks. That's why you gotta move your stops a little bit away from that level, because you gotta put spread into mind. Also, you guys gotta be careful with holding positions over the weekend, because like, if you experience slippage and stuff, yeah, that can't be good. Slippage, it happened to me once, and most times when I hold positions over the weekend. If you got your stops like extremely huge, then you don't gotta worry about slippage, but if you got them really close, you're gonna get slipped. It's at tweezer bottoms, I see. All right. So 764 rejection. Daily candle, however, is looking weak. All right. Yeah, I just took a buy. I just took a buy. My stops are gonna be below that low right there, and TPs are gonna be pretty much at, I don't know if I put at TP4, but could we potentially fill that? Nah. I'm gonna just put my TP at like 150, 900. If this candle basically, so let's scale in, right? If we start closing below there, then I'm gonna get out. Okay. So basically that little zone that I have drawn out, if we start closing below there, then I'll exit the trade. GU looking the same. Where's my face? Come on, there it is. Gotta always have this in gold, man. Here we go. Make sure you guys send in your chart if you want analysis. Channel, yes, no, no. Send message, yes. Attach files, no. Actually, yes. Yes. No, no, no. No, no, no. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Alright guys, so whoever's in my Discord can now send the chart your chart in the chart analysis Discord chat to YouTube chart analysis, okay? So whoever does want an analysis can go ahead and send on in that analysis. Wow, that's a freaking doji. That is crazy. So if you guys usually join the streams, usually at TP2, my stops are at break even. So that's about like 17 pips. Yeah, okay. We'll leave it there. And then TP3, which is at 28, we basically take, for TP3 for this, I'm going to put at 800, all right? And then TP4 is going to be this. So basically at TP3 is at 33 pips. We're going to take 70% of the position. So stops at break even over here. Just going to put this on top. Taken at this point right over here. Alright, TP1 just got hit. Beautiful, now we're on to target 2, TP2. GU pretty much doing the same thing. Gold, I mean, look at that, dude. Like, it was just buying, and now that thing is just... And that's the exact reason why I have that face there. Yeah, I'm in a trade. I'm in GJ buys right now. Yep. I think I called it out like, I don't even know, like 15 minutes ago. Or like 30 minutes ago. I'm not too sure. Somewhere around that. But yeah, the reason why I always have stops at break even at TP2 and 70% taken at this point is because basically trading is all about taking what you make, right? So and also managing your risk. So like once it hits TP2, boom, my stops are going at break even. And the reason why they are going at break even is because I don't want to risk anymore when I'm already in profit, right? But at the same time, I'm not really taking anything at that point. I'm still letting it run, except I'm just risk free. At TP3, we're basically almost at TP. So that's where I take 70% of the position and then I let the rest run till TP4 like a runner, like the last 10 pips, you know? If it doesn't go the last 10 pips, then it doesn't go the last 10 pips. It's whatever. I already secured 70%, right? But you basically want to do that in order to prevent like a full reversal and then you end up losing the whole trade, you know? So you kind of want to prevent that stuff. So that's basically the reason why I take my partials always and leave runners, because if you don't, you never know, bro. Like we're retail traders, okay? We got to take advantage of the market and literally just take our profit. So 70% taken. Literally just take your coins, guys. Take your coins. Literally about to start saying that from now on. Take your coins. Yeah, look at that thing. So gold basically. Oh, there's the other face. Yeah. I'm not even gonna try with that thing. once again, y'all, I created like a little chart analysis thing. So if you guys want your charts analyzed, let's send them in. Because I'm literally gonna say it right now. Trading does get boring, so it's better if I look at somebody's chart and stuff. What the heck? Wow, Monday we have a bank holiday, so no hope for that day. That's literally there's gonna be no volatility on that day. Bank holiday, guys. We're about to hit TP2, guys. Need like 7 more pips. For like five pips more. And then we'll hit TP2. Shit, I forgot to put this thing in. Also, guys, like, if you need to send in your chart and you don't want to do it just because I'm live streaming, like, it's all good, man. Like, we're all here to learn together and grow together. I could care less if it looks like you're a beginner. Like, I really could care less, because if I show y'all my first ever analysis, you guys are gonna laugh. You guys are gonna laugh. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all my first ever analysis. Let me see if it's on Telegram. Yep. Show you all my first ever analysis, dude. Guys, that is my first ever analysis. So if you are experienced in Forex trading, please tell me what this means. Like, I have no idea what I drew. 4 dots in the middle of nowhere. This literally bent trend line. That's okay. A circle in the middle of nowhere. The 1 minute time frame. USD CAD, which I had no idea what that meant. Like, guys, come on, look at this. You guys can literally improve. You guys can literally improve. Look at that. That was my first ever analysis when I first started trading 2 years ago. So there's literally no shame in sending a chart in. No shame. I'm telling y'all, bro. I told you guys, like, you guys are gonna laugh when you see that thing. My first ever analysis. And you know what's funny too? I thought I knew everything at that point. I literally drew a couple lines and a circle, and I was like, yeah, I'm a trader now. Yeah, if we start closing under this level right here, we're gonna manage risk. That's basically our protection right now. Only because it's that candle. If this candle basically closed like that, and then we had another candle come in and retest, that would be fine. But since it's that candle, yeah. Yeah, you know what? Close your profit right now. Close your profit. I just took my profit right now. I'm not having it with GJ. Today I am not doing that. Yeah, literally take your profit. So I took like 2 pips. Let me see where. So yeah, like 2.2 pips. Yeah, so it was a little risky. It was a little not too risky, but it was a little weird since we are like sort of ranging. But I've taken those trades before, and they usually play out. But today looks like that 4 hour definitely flipped, right? That 4 hour definitely flipped. We got 45 minutes. Next 4 hours gonna open at 9, and potentially either GJ is just gonna break that level and continue down, or we're just gonna range for today, which would not be surprising. That would not be surprising at all. I really need to fix my computer so I could have you guys on the side, and then you guys don't have to see all that like Streamlabs stuff. And it looks like guys, wasn't gold selling right now? Wasn't gold just selling? I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm gonna leave gold just at that. GU still at the same area it was. Not much action. Looks like a barcode right now, GJ. I do have to say something though. We haven't broken those lows at all. Jesus. Bro. I literally tried trading Despair, but it's just ridiculous. Let's go ahead and do some Bitcoin analysis over here. Let's see what's going on in Bitcoin. So according to market structure, broken above highs, and now we're coming back to retest that previous high, making that higher low over here, or Bitcoin is just going to continue back down. I mean, overall, I'd still see Bitcoin reaching 100K by the end of the year. I mean, that's what everybody says, right? But still, crypto is the future, so that's just what I'm going to say. Ethereum, I was in that a while ago, somewhere in like the 2000s. Did I hold? No. If I would have held, I'd be in some good profit right now. But you know, I literally didn't hold my nuts. Doge, yeah, Doge, same thing always. Same thing as always. Damn, I haven't looked at pound Aussie in a long time. Really haven't looked at this in a long time. But what it looks like now is basically retesting daily structure. So on the 4-hour it looks like a big retest, on the daily it looks like a regular retest, as you can see right here. I mean, y'all know what that looks like. Pretty much a double bottom on the daily time frame. That's very powerful. How many pips is that? Like 300? Yeah. So you know that's the potential retest level. But according to these candles, right, we could probably break down here and correct this move up. You know, and potentially correct this area. And that's what it's looking like right now, by making the lower lows and lower highs on the lower time frames. So, you know, basically the pound is just getting weaker and weaker against the Australian dollar. NZD USD. So NZD USD is basically, I'd say it's in a little daily downtrend. Pretty much in a daily downtrend. We haven't really broken structure to the upside yet, so there's no way, bro. Yeah, I mean, looks like it's in a daily fib. Not too sure though. Need to look at other price action. 4-hour looks like it's coming for a retest in this little consolidation zone, little side channel over here. Wow, that is brutal. I mean there's actually pretty good moves in there, so I guess it's not too bad. But overall, it's a little side channel, and then it broke out of that side channel, and now it looks like it's coming for that retest, or maybe just possibly closing back above and, you know, making an uptrend, or maybe just touching this trend line and then continuing down, making new lower lows. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And you know, as of now, it looks like it's pretty bullish, but for the short time though. GJ still ranging. EU. I don't know when I drew this, but looks like it played out. The EU fib. Oh wait, this was yesterday. That EU fib played out. Damn. All right. Daily time frame. Looks like. Wow, that's a huge double bottom or double top. Sorry, double top. Looks like we are approaching to break that neckline right there. We would have to see more price action, such as that daily candle basically coming right back below and closing below this area, so that potentially a next daily candle can make a 3-bar play, wick off, and then start breaking the lows, you know. And then on the lower time frames as well, we can have some retest action on the lower time frames. But for the most part, EU looks pretty bearish right now. I'd want to be careful though, because once again, I need some daily candles to close below certain structure. All right, let's go. We are speed analyzing right now. We're knocking out all these pairs. Silver. I mean, I don't even trade silver. US 30. I already did my analysis on that. Somebody sent their chart in. Neo Bitcoin. I used to trade that. That was ridiculous. AMC, whatever that was. Oh, US dollar Haitian gourd. Yeah, I mean, I really don't even know how to analyze this. This looks crazy. Yeah, this is. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. Oh wow. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I caught like a little entry in this Robinhood stock, and it was like, I honestly, I think it was like, I don't know how to calculate points in. Yeah, like $7. That's it. Pretty nice trade right there. Dash. That cryptocurrency. Looks like it's in a little consolidation phase right now. A lot of price gaps, as you can see. And it looks like it's reaching new highs. Litecoin is also a good cryptocurrency. I do recommend trading it, but obviously with caution, because all cryptocurrency are heavy. All right, they have a lot of it's a lot different than pairs. They require a lot more capital to trade with, and a lot more leverage. So basically a 0.01 would be equivalent to a 1 lot in a currency pair. All right, we already looked at Dash. All right. Oh, S&P 500, SPX. We are in a strong uptrend. This is very beautiful. I've never seen anything more beautiful like this before. As you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and potentially I think we are going to reach a new higher high today. Just look at that, you know, maintenance over there. Literally the most beautiful uptrend I've ever seen. That is literally beautiful. That is some beautiful market structure. But what about UJ? UJ is ranging in the daily time frame, but on the lower time frames, Alright, so we technically respected that high right there, so it looks like we could be coming down. Yeah, definitely 100%. 100%. I don't even care if that looks like that. We're definitely reaching new lows in UJ. And there you go. That is my speed analysis for you guys. And while we did all of that, GJ is still in the range, so wow. This is why I like New York sometimes, because usually London breaks out of structure, right? And New York is like the session that follows whatever happened in the previous session with a lot of volume. So basically, if London session broke out of this with like a huge candle, right, or maybe a couple candles, like maybe a bearish one over there, boom, then we had another one. Basically, let's say it was like 7:30, right, or like 7 o'clock. What New York would do, and I've seen it before because I've done it, is the 7:30 candle would be sort of like a little doji, right? You know, with like whatever wicks or whatever. Then we'd have the other candle coming up to retest that structure, and this is where I draw my fib, guys. This is where I draw my fib. And you know, it'll probably, you know, wick off or whatever, you know, do all that stuff. And then usually 8 o'clock or 8:30, depending on whether GJ wants to play in the golden zone, then it will continue to move down. So maybe it'll create another doji there, maybe like a little, just a very small bullish candle, and then eventually, like I've seen these moves happen before, guys, and then New York just pushes it down into the next level that we need to target. So that's usually what happens. And this is for a bearish bias. This is if we actually broke out that range and we're coming back to retest in order to continue to move down. All right. So that's basically it. Oh. But the way I trade, guys, is off scenarios, okay? So basically trade off of what I see on the daily time frame. All right. So I mean, at the moment, 4 hour is not really telling me anything but indecision. 1 hour as well, 30-minute, and that's it. Daily is telling me bullish because we have rejected this daily rejection level. And you know what? It is telling me bullish and bearish at the moment because basically we are at that minor level and we are rejecting that, but also that was a very strong rejection, so it's sort of like indecision. So that's why it translates into the 4 hour, and that's why it's looking like that, because the daily doesn't know what it wants to do. And when that time frame doesn't know what it wants to do, it's going to translate to all these smaller time frames, which is literally what it looks like. Literally just follows, guys. Literally just follows. That's what it does. You know, so it's not telling me enough information, right, for us to take a trade at the moment. So that is where GJ's at. You know, I will be right back, guys. Just get something to drink. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that little analysis, you know, speed analysis, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it, just drop a like. You know, I appreciate that a lot. Appreciate it. All right, I'll be right back. Alright, let's crank up the music in here. Come on, man. This thing is not lit, bro. Come on. There we go. So yeah, that daily really looks like it's having a tough time closing above this area, and also that previous daily as well. So I'd say my bias is more on the sell side as of now, looking at it now. All right, looking at it now. So let's see. I'd honestly just say sells past this area, but we're not going to take it that easily. We're just gonna. I hate taking ranging impulse entries. I hate it. So I'd honestly just take a Fibonacci. I don't even take those anymore. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't take impulse entries anymore. I think they are risky and uneducated entries. Because also we have that level to look at, so oof, it's a weird day for DJ. Weird day. Weird day for GU as well. So if I'm gonna be honest, London session, they got faked out if they took the entry over here at the retest of that area. Got faked out, or probably could have looked at the bigger picture. And gotten that 764 rejection entry. You know, and then caught the entry like around here. But yeah, we're gonna let it do its thing. Let's see if we could catch a little pullback entry. If we do catch a pullback entry, that would be very beautiful. See that looks literally beautiful on the daily time frame. That literally looks like, guys, it really looks like we're gonna start breaking that daily key level right there. Which is like, I'm very happy that we're doing that, because what always comes down always has to go up, right? And you know, we've been at this area for a while, couple months now, and it's finally looking like it's time to break, because slowly we've actually been building bearish pressure. Like, as I've talked about in the last streams, like, we've been literally respecting previous lower highs, as you can see. And that's literally respected by 4 pips. That's insane. So we've been respecting lower highs, also building pressure at this little level, and price action is following it. So that should be the retest of this area. So it totally makes sense. Totally makes sense. Now what I could have done was this right here, but would it really be ideal? Like I could have done it, but I don't do that because we're in a ranging market, first of all, and we haven't really broken structure overall. So I mean, we did break, whatever was created here, but I like to see a full market structure break, and that's not a market structure break. So we could probably get like a 3-bar play. I could get like my mini fib out, get something like that. Let's see. Because I know that they're gonna give the late people some entries, and they always give entries out. The banks, like, it's just that you have to find them. You really have to find them. That's literally the point of trading: finding an entry. First, you got to decide which way it's going first, and then you got to find your entry. But yeah, they give entries out there. Sometimes they give you like an hour to get in. Like, for example, for this little stop hunt right here, or whatever it was, or yeah, it's pretty much a stop hunt. They gave about an hour and 30 minutes for people to get entries themselves. It spent an hour and 30 minutes up there. So, we have more than enough time to enter in trades. And sometimes maybe it doesn't. Sometimes maybe it'll happen in like 5 minutes. It's happened before. That's when price really wants to go where it wants to go. I mean, so. But I'm honestly glad we broke out of this range. I did not like that range at all. I just do not like when GJ's in a range. So this is what I basically do to catch mini fib entries. I first let price relax. Alright, I let it do what it has to do, let it, relieve some pressure first. Right now it's pretty bearish, so I'm just gonna let it do what it has to do. And once I feel like price has been relieved and I'm sensing a little pullback, then I will take the minifib and draw it from the top of the candle to the bottom of the candle. And as you can see, my golden zone will line up right with this level right here, which is basically what we got to retest in order to continue down. So it's whatever makes sense, you know. So right now I'm just going to let it relax, let it do what it has to do. And then we'll go ahead and get our minifibs out. Or even a 5-minute fib. But you know what, now? Because that 5-minute fib and that 764 zone, right, would pretty much be the golden zone of this. As you can see right there, it lines up. You know what I mean? So let's just give it some more space right now, let it do what it has to do. But this does look like some beautiful space. Beautiful space for a continuation and to the downside. So you guys sort of see how we're relieving pressure, like we're sort of forming like a little pullback. That is what I wait for. So then I take my minifib and I think we still need that 15 and 30 minutes to close and 1 hour to close. Oh my god, that's gonna be really beautiful. And the 4 hour to close. Holy. Alright, that's gonna be beautiful. Literally multiple time frame. 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. It's gonna be a multiple time frame 3-bar play. So like I said, let's be patient. Let it do that, whatever it has to do. Now I'm saying this right now. I am not gonna take anything if it goes in the golden zone before that 5 minute is done. So if that goes in right now, I'm not taking that, okay? I need the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour to all go in there. I need it to, okay? So let's prepare our entries. I'm pretty much just gonna say 325, and our stops are gonna be at 415. All right, and we're just gonna target 149, 970, and the reason why it's that, just because of that level right there. Three minutes, y'all. 3 minutes. $325. And this is probably gonna be hard for most of you guys, but if it doesn't hit 150.325, I'm not entering this trade. You guys can enter anywhere you want in the golden zone, but the reason why mine's over here is because I want my stops to be 9 pips. All right, so see how the 5 minutes pushing up? Yeah, I don't need that right now. We need GJ to be basically a semi-strong bearish close and then the retracement. On the 15 minute, actually that looks fine. I just need the 30 minute to close, like pretty much at that green line over there, so that we can have that little entry. See, that is exactly what I like. Yeah, see? That's exactly what I like. Got 1 minute and 40 seconds. Yep, come on, keep on doing it. Keep on continuing down. Because I know that the next candle is literally going to be bullish. Now, on the higher time frames, a mini fib would pretty much be a lower time frame big fib, as you can see right here. So we're creating new higher highs, higher lows in order to get in our golden zone, and then we should see some rejection after that. But this looks beautiful so far. There we go, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. So the 15-minute just opened, the 30-minute just opened, 1 hour just opened, 4 hour just opened. This is gonna be nice. So now it's basically just on us to wait. It's sad to say, but a lot of people are selling over here. Like majority of retail traders are selling there, and that is like literally the worst thing to do, because that's the lowest point where, like, this is the worst area to sell if you were planning on selling GJ. It may look like it's melting right now, but trust me. Trust me. Like, what's the word? Even if this thing is bearish, or if this thing is really bearish, then it would make sense. But I literally am expecting a retracement. Damn, bro, I'm stuttering a lot, dude. Oh my god. I am expecting a retracement. No retest, no entry. Now let's say this doesn't happen till like 11, right? I'm not gonna take anything, because after 11, basically price tends to consolidate, so then I'm not gonna do that. You know. Yeah, so the farthest I'm gonna adjust it is literally like Honestly, the farthest I'm gonna adjust it is like 150. That's it. So I'm gonna just give it space again until we retrace. Because I know for sure we're getting a retracement. I'm not gonna lie, a reasonable target would probably be like 149, 900. So like that area. Alright. So my entry is still at 320. 320. Stops 420. Honestly, I'm not targeting any more than that. Not in a trade yet, guys. Not in a trade. Waiting. Brian, I'm sorry, but what in the world is this song, dude? What the hell was that? What are these people playing, bro? Yikes, that could be it. That's literally a pullback to continue down. Bro, GJ needs to retrace, dude. This is crazy. GJ needs to retrace, man. Alright, so that's a 1 minute reversal pattern, and then a 5 minute wick off. Waiting for retracement. There we go. I think this candle is gonna flip. Just looking at what this candle did, I feel like this candle is just a fake bearish candle, and that's just gonna wick off and flip to a bullish candle. I think so. That's what I think.
I hardly know how we were just being too selfish.
Once again, guys, I'm gonna repeat this. I am not in a trade right now. I am waiting to get in a trade. I'm not in a trade. Oh yeah, see, so it flipped. God, I can read this thing like a book, bro. Now we're just waiting on the little retracement. Let's go, GJ. Let's make my GJ fam some money today. Let's go. Let's go. I will go to the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna set an alert just in case this thing does go like really fast into our golden zone. So I'll be right back, guys. Here we go. Got that 4-hour retracement. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Getting ready to enter, guys. We have about 6 pips till we enter. All right. Yep. I think y'all already know what I'm gonna do if it doesn't hit that. I'm gonna enter the trade. Yeah, pretty much all time frames look. Oh my goodness, dude. So what the plan is for GJ is this daily candle basically to fill up that whole candle, correct that whole move. Basically that retest. That's just a retest. We already made the daily candle. Now we flipped bearish. So hopefully New York session is going to create that nice little bearish move. The weekly time frame most likely is going to wick off and turn into a bearish candle. This could happen next week, breaking that structure, or this week. Never know. And then this monthly candle is just bearish, about to break that level and hopefully, start the move into continuing that move down. But yeah, I mean, the monthly time frame, we did respect, that little high right there. So as long as we respect highs, thing is gonna melt. That's all I'm saying. You get me? And now we just scaled in, and now we're just waiting.
You shouldn't be walking around like this. These people will kill you.
Very good.
This is a lot of patience, guys. Trading is literally just patience. If you don't accustom yourself to be patient, then good luck to you, because you have to be patient, man. You just have to be. Here we go. Alright, guys. I am in. That's literally like 0.01, so I'm in. And that is it. Because of spread, my entry is at 316. So literally like point whatever, 0.04. So let's get it. Yeah, so 15-minute retracement, 30-minute retracement, 1 hour retracement, 4 hour retracement. Hell yeah, guys. Holy, what the heck? Alright, what just happened, bro? We got stopped out so fast, dude. Hold on. That had to have been news, bro. There's no way we got stopped out that fast. I swear, if somebody released some news, I'm gonna get mad. That was like extremely fast, dude. What the heck? That's insane, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, that literally makes no sense. 15-minute retest, 30-minute retest, 1-hour retest. Four-hour retest as well. Wow. That could have been NYSE Open, probably the volume. That's insane, bro. So it looks like GJ just went right back in the range, bro. Wow, that was really fast. Almost seems like unreal how fast that was. I'm gonna give it one more chance. I still see this thing selling. Yeah, and I'm just gonna put stops there. Now, you know what, dude? No. This thing is way too bullish right now. Or not even bullish, it's just tripping right now. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today. Cause that... Wow, bro, there's no way that wasn't news, bro. That's... And like nothing even happened today either. What day is it today? Tuesday? Nothing even happened today. That happened, but that's like yellow folder. That's nothing. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. Yeah, wow, that's crazy. Looks like it's a losing day today. I mean, it's fine. As long as we manage risk and stuff like that, you know, stuff happens. I mean, that's just crazy how fast we got stopped out. But, you know, we all have red days, we all have blue days, you know, it happens. So yeah, tomorrow we should be good in terms of news. There's nothing really tomorrow to be worrying about. In terms of like volatility and news and stuff like that. So, I mean, if we do continue up over here, then that daily time frame is definitely going to start pushing. But as of now, that looks like an indecision candle, spinning top. So, honestly, we just have to see what price really does. Yeah, right now I would recommend you guys to stay away from GJ because it's very volatile right now, and right now it's back in the range. So yeah, yeah, that's it, guys. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.